Why aren't we getting more women into IT? So I was chatting to my daughter last night, and she's 20 years old nearly, and she's doing a degree apprenticeship as a computer programmer. And that means that she works at a really big company in the UK doing a normal day job, and then 1 week, I think it's every 6, she goes away to university and does a degree course. So in 4 years' time, she'll come out of that with a degree. It's really good because she gets all of her fees paid for by the company, and she also gets hands-on experience to apply to a degree. So it's amazing. But we've still got a problem because IT departments all around the world are predominantly filled with males. Now, quite clearly, women are just as capable of doing IT roles, but they don't seem to be wanting to do it. So why is this? Are STEM careers still very socially stereotyped? So males generally go into engineering jobs and females don't. They go into more caring jobs. Do we have a distinct lack of female role models for girls to look up to when they want to get into IT? Have we got a problem in schools? Are we doing something wrong in schools that are not encouraging girls into these subjects? Can we do better there? Do we have a harassment problem at work still, even though lots of businesses and lots of IT roles are now remote? Have we got a bias problem at the interview stage? So if we get a pile of CVs, 50% for female, 50% for male, are we being biased and interviewing the male ones? I honestly don't know. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so if you could leave a comment or even better, do a video, because I'd love to be able to help and encourage more females to get into IT.